What's up, Sunny fam? My name is Alexa. I'm an NASM certified personal trainer and a pre and postnatal specialist. I've been in the fitness industry in group fitness for 8 years and a personal trainer for 7 years, and today we're talking functional fitness. So functional fitness are exercises and movements that are gonna help us practice for our activities of daily living. So in the workout today, we did a goblet squat. So we loaded that dumbbell up in front and we dropped down nice and low into a squat, which is gonna emulate a sit to stand, something that you're gonna see every single day for the rest of your life. We also did a squat jack, which had a little bit of power to it, still in that squat pattern where we practice that sitting and standing. Next, we had an upper body pull, which is going to help us open doors, pick stuff up off the floor, and we focused on one side in a hip hinge. So it's just like picking things up off the floor in a nice flat back. That way we're moving safely when we pick up our groceries or when we're moving boxes or picking up our babies off the floor. Next, we saw a halo, which is not an upper body push movement, but it did help with our shoulder mobility to help us move better throughout the day. We also saw a reverse lunge with a goblet, with a little rack hold on one side. It's just like carrying groceries on one side or carrying our suitcase on one side of our body. And a lunge is another way we get up and off the floor, which is a pattern we've seen since we were babies until we are really old. Last thing we saw was a plank with a little tap, where there we worked on anti-core, which is gonna help us stabilize our core in all different movements and all different things we do throughout our life, just like carrying your baby on one side of your body or moving through the kitchen and you're carrying something there. We're focusing on the core really stabilizing and staying centered, which is going to eliminate injury and it's going to keep you stronger through other aspects of life. Our workout for functional fitness is not limited to these exercises or to this weight or this equipment. You can do this with dumbbells, you can do this with a barbell, body weight, a kettlebell, anything that works for you is going to be a great option here. We recommend 2 days a week of strength training, but you can work up 3 to 5 days depending on your fitness goals. Thanks so much for joining us. If you guys are looking for more tips and information on fitness, please feel free to check out these other links on our YouTube and our website. My name is Alexa. Thank you so much for joining me today.